Okay, this is Weather Outlook. We're updating this on Tuesday, April 22nd. We're going to take a look at the weekend and maybe down the road a little bit and see what's coming up for the month of May. Now we're looking at this is Saturday morning around 8 o'clock in the morning. You can see temperatures to the north, 50s, maybe out towards the western, northwestern areas. They get into the lower upper 40s. Elsewhere, it's in the mid 50s, and if you go down towards Philly, Jersey, and Delaware, temperatures are in the low 60s at 8 o'clock in the morning, which isn't bad. The only glitch in the armor is they still have some showers left over coming through Saturday morning. There might be a few heavier showers there, but this will start to move away. And this is like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And you can see it's now confined to southern Jersey and lower Delaware. And then you can see this is by 5 o'clock and it's pretty much clearing out. Temperatures on Saturday. Um, let's see here, temperatures on Saturday. Um, Basically to the north. Again, this is around 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures are in the low 40s up here and low 50s or mid 40s up here, mid 50s in the mountains. The valley areas are in the mid upper 50s, but pretty chilly on Saturday. And if you have to go down here towards Harrisburg, Lancaster, Philly, South Jersey, and Delaware before you can get into the 60s. And that's as the rain has departed. As we get into Sunday morning. Let's get this through on Sunday morning. Here's 7 o'clock in the morning on Sunday morning. 32 up by Bradford, 46 up by Towanda, central part of the state, mid 30s, Poconos mid 30s. The only place where you don't see that is down this way again towards Harrisburg, Lancaster, and over here towards Philadelphia, where it's in the 40s, Jersey, Delaware 40s. Even out by Pittsburgh, the city itself is right around 40 degrees. You don't have any precipitation really to worry about at that point in time, just the chilly temperatures. Basically, is what you got going on to concern yourself with. And then as we get into Sunday afternoon, let's get this a little, in case you're making any outdoor plans. Temperatures rise into the 60s just about everywhere. Might even see a 70 if you look close enough at the banks. And as for precipitation on Sunday, you don't have any. So it's not all that bad of a weekend. A few showers down here early on Saturday, but that's about it. So I would say enjoy that. Now let's look ahead, um, just what we're expecting in May. Okay, we're going to move this out to end of the month. Let's see here if we can get this to work. Okay, basically this is from the 28th of April through the end of May and the 30th. And you can see Jersey, Delaware, southeastern PA, normal, a little bit above normal. Poconos to the west and out towards Pittsburgh, a degree or two below normal. Nothing, but during that period of time, there are some glitches in the where the temperatures actually start off above normal and then work their way, um, to where they're at those averages. Rain wise, you can see we get a pretty good dousing of rain, especially up here in northwestern PA, northern PA, 5, 6, 7 inches of rain. The southern parts of our region, 1, 2, 3 inches, maybe 4 inches of rain. So there is a lot of precipitation next month that comes in, which is good. We'll need it for the summer grass. Now, the last week of April into the first week of May, your average temperatures are above normal. As you can see here, some areas out west and central PA, 6 degrees, 7 degrees above normal. So that's a good start for May. But then as we get in further into May, this takes you from around the second week of May, and you can see southeastern PA above normal, but you can see to the north and to the west in Pennsylvania, temperatures are beginning to go below normal. We move this out a little further, and you can see temperatures now getting below normal, more than just a degree or two. Now we're talking about 4 or 5 degrees during the later part of the second week of May towards Mother's Day, and then as we get into the time period which takes us into around the 16th of May, the week before that, the 9th through the 16th, you can see this green area. It's much below normal there. Just about everybody else, even Jersey and Delaware, are below normal. So again, when you look at the average temperature for the month and you say, oh, we're a little bit above normal, it's because you start off above, and then you get into this colder temperatures. And then as we move on even a little bit further, this takes you for the week of the 14th through the 21st of May. You can see temperatures 10, 11, 12 degrees below normal in a lot of Pennsylvania, and 4, 5, 6 degrees below normal in Delaware and Jersey. And then as we head towards the end of the month, again towards the holidays, this is the week leading up to Memorial Day, the 19th through the 16th. Still below normal, but it's warmed up a little bit, but still we're below normal. And as we get into the week of Memorial Day. This is the 22nd through the 29th. The southern part of PA is now starts to get to normal, to a little bit above normal, and in the northern part of Pennsylvania, still a little bit below normal. See this area off the shore here? I don't buy it. Right now, it's below normal. The weird thing about this is that, and we'll go over this with tomorrow's weather, is the Gulf Stream, which usually brings the warmer waters up to Jersey and into New England, is literally off the coast now out here, and this is actually below normal temperatures, and then the warmer temperatures are further out. So I don't buy the switch and the change here. What he's trying to say is the Gulf Stream is going to start moving back to the west, and I think that's kind of a dramatic change to happen really quick. But I'm not all in. I'm not too enthralled about the temperatures along the shoreline here getting above and getting warm for people to go to the shore next month and enjoying the water. I know the kids don't care, but the adults, we step in it and go, holy crap. So we'll talk about the water temperatures along the shore next month and what we expect out of it with tomorrow's forecast. All right, everybody, take care and be safe.